I have made my payment. Now I'm come to collect my items. Look at the beautiful things they have here. Daniel. 那2分钟我才给。下产品没有7天无理由退货的吗？没有退货的哈。没有7天无理由退货。对吧？好，帮我先长江手指下麦克风。好，防风毛套、充电线、风网线、磁吸。你是买红装啊？红装啊。Once you charge full. It can feel like 100 minutes. That is 1 hour and 40 minutes. I'm testing now. Look at this. I'm testing. See, it starts recording. So if as I'm moving my face, it's going to follow my face. See? So from today ongoing, we are going to have better filmings. I'm doing testing now with the DJI Pocket 3. So from today going, we are going to have better filming. Daniel is enjoying the Pocket 3. He is videoing himself. Look at now. I'm enjoying my Pocket 3. We are in a shopping mall. It's very nice. This is Beijing Road. It's a very historical place. Many tourists choose to come here. Come and see. Very nice place. Let me show you more. I'm enjoying this Pocket 3. Look at my bag. Flower shop. A lot of nice place, that shops in this street. Very, very famous street. Look at very beautiful flower shop. Come and follow me, see. This is electronics floor. Here we have it's quite different, right? I'm just showing you some. Yes, as video. They have very standard, good quality, all kind of electronics here in this floor. Look at it. This is a hot pot buffet. Look at what they have here. All these ones are buffets. You take whatever you want. You eat whatever you can, okay? Different kind of vegetables, mushrooms, different ones, corns. Look at it. We have a lot of food in China. Different kind of meat. This one, you know, sea cucumber. Look at this. Very, very nice food they have. We are about to start. Look at our foundation soup. One side is spicy, one side is not spicy. Look at Daniel. Daniel already started. Daniel, you like it? He's enjoying. Yeah, Daniel wants to eat meat. Daniel, take. For your take. If anybody asks what is my favorite food, hot pot, of course. Meat and beef. Sea cucumber. It has a lot of protein. It's very good actually. If you never tried Chinese hot pot, you miss a lot. So one day I hope you can try our Chinese hot pot. Many of our families, they might not understand what is hot pot, the way they make hot pot. Hot pot, in fact, is very easy. It's like you put sauce. Look at it. So you put on the stove. Either you use gas cooker or you use the electric cooker. That is going to, like, it's burning. Look at it. It's boiling and putting different things. Look at my brother, he brought fish and seafood. So this is what we call hot pot. You prepare different things, different things, many. The more the better. So as the soup is boiling, you are putting different items inside. Normally for hot pot, we have to put different items. In Nigeria, very easy. You can use beef, right? You can use goat meat. You can use chicken, fish, all different vegetables. Anything that you like. Chinese people is addicted to hot pot. Actually, not only Chinese people. Many of Asians like hot pot. This is tower, beef tower. See? It doesn't matter what you have, okay? Whatever you want, you prepare. The soup, this side is mushroom soup. It's not spicy, this is spicy soup. Look at Daniel. Forever disturbing. Since Daniel came back from Nigeria, he never allowed me to rest for 1 second. I think it's because of the weather change. China is too hot, too much hot. And he doesn't have big place to play like in our compound in Umongo. Look at him, forever disturbing.
Sunshine and laughter all around. Dance in the circle, feel the sound. Hands joined together, we are one. Family time has just begun. Smiles and stories shared today. Children's voices lead the way. Love is flowing in the breeze. Strength in unity with ease. Family time we gather near. Every heart is full of cheer. Rhythm pulsing through the night. Together we shine so bright. Tales of ancestors.